Sending money from Zelle to Gcash is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to send money from Zelle to Gcash. First of all, use Zelle to transfer the money to a bank account that supports international wire transfers. After that, you need to ensure that the bank account is linked to Gcash or another service that allows you to move funds from your bank to Gcash. Once the money is in your linked bank account, use your preferred method to withdraw the funds to Gcash. Now, you may use a bank transfer or another service that supports the transfer from a bank account to Gcash. After that, check for any updates or direct integration options between Zelle and Gcash. Now, the services and partnerships can change, so it's worth looking into the latest offerings from both platforms. Consider using other intermediary services or platforms that allow cross-border transfers between Zelle and Gcash. You also have some financial service providers that may offer such services. Once you're done with this, reach out to the customer support teams of both Zelle and Gcash for the latest information on any partnerships or recommended methods for transferring funds between the two platforms. So this is how you can send money from Zelle to Gcash.